Hey, look right there. Guys, like, I think it's a Cybertruck.
And there's another one. We're doing the wrap reveal and we have a special guest. Go ahead and say who you are, how to find you.
Hey, Rafael here, Test Latino. I'm super excited to be here with the guys, and the wrap looks awesome. I can't wait to see more of it.
Yeah, we'll link his like Twitter or X and YouTube down below. But he just got the sneak peek. He just rolled up,
Yeah,
so.
it looks really, really hot.
As you can see, it's kind of an Arctic camo wrap that we got on. Eric installed this the last couple of days. It looks nice. It's not exactly what we were expecting, but it looks cool.
So yeah, the story kind of goes that we designed this to be kind of like a black, gray, and white camo. And then unfortunately, when it came time to print it, it had to switch programs and then switch color profiles, which then changed it into this like bluish camo that we have here. But it was already printed, so we figured, why not? Let's go ahead and wrap it, check it out, and see how it goes. One, good practice, so that way when we do the next one, it'll be even better. But two, we wanted something fun because we are actually taking this thing to Moab. So as you can see, it is not exactly what we thought it was gonna be, because we weren't really anticipating any blues, but I think overall, it's actually came out better than I thought it was.
Definitely gonna turn some more heads, more than it already does without a wrap, but yeah.
The original idea will be coming soon, but at least for now, for the Moab trip, we'll be able to have this blue camo. But originally when I started it, I was very hesitant and was like, oh, maybe we just shouldn't do it. But it actually is very, like, it's growing on me a lot. It does actually look pretty good. Okay, so again, this is my first time ever wrapping a vehicle. I think it went really well. We're gonna kind of go over some of the panels and stuff in a few minutes, but you can see here, like, everything went together really well. The hood, like, everything wrapped really nicely. We did have to remove mirrors and everything, but everything, like, they did a really good job on this kit, and it was actually very easy to install. Again, no wrap experience, and this is how it came out. So I definitely think if anyone's looking to like DIY wrap your Cybertruck to try to, I don't know, save some money, have the experience to do it yourself, definitely hit up Test Bros. Huge thanks to them for helping out design this. And again, we'll have that like white, black, and gray camo coming very soon. But I'm very happy with like how like the corners look, and like they made it very easy. I made sure to watch all their install videos, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. I absolutely love the exterior, do not get me wrong, but it's kind of like our thing. We wrap our vehicles, we make them super unique, we make them super custom. I do love this finish. Perhaps if we get another one, we'll leave it this finish, but this one's gonna be wrapped, and we actually went with the guys over at Test Bros. They helped design a custom wrap that is in this box right here. We're gonna go over some of that stuff. Some things you're gonna get: some waterless car wash, some car shampoo, an extra bottle for alcohol. I mean, we've done so many of their PPF wraps that we've got a stash of bottles, so that's always helpful. Some clay bar, towels. We've actually already opened like some towels and washing it because I actually just cleaned this yesterday very thoroughly. Clay barred the whole thing. I went ahead and time-lapsed it, so we'll kind of put that in kind of throughout this. But it comes with everything that you need, which is really great. And then this is their vinyl wrap toolkit. Be different, ready to customize your vehicle. And we certainly are, because we are not doing anything you've probably ever seen on a Cybertruck. So in here, you've got like a little clip, like belt thing for tools. That can come in handy. You've got some spudgers to really help make all this easy. And actually, I think they're magnetic. Hey, check that out. You've got some squeegees in here. You have magnets to help hold up the wrap. You've got your squeegee protectors, and that looks really dope. That's actually really cool design. You've got some gloves. You've got your tool to remove your side mirrors. Put that in a safe spot. You got some tips for your heat gun. You've got your actual heat gun. You've got another little spudger, and you've got like your little pick That's actually a really cool design too. Maybe we should have done that. What if we do that on the Cybertruck, like blue, purple to pink? I mean, I actually kind of dig that. But it is cool, they give you so much. Like luckily, we already have several heat guns because we've removed wrap on several vehicles. But you get all this stuff with this kit. They do have different levels of kits. You can do all like solid color. They have some other really cool options, but we actually opted for a custom print. So I've been working with him for a little while now, and we came up with an amazing design. Hopefully you guys really like it. It's not something we've ever done on a vehicle before. And actually, this is the first time I've ever wrapped a vehicle. We did actually use the Test Bros kit and do PPF on my mom's Model Y. We did it on David's mom's Model Y. And I've done some miscellaneous stuff. But this is the first time I'm actually vinyl wrapping a car. Full car. We've done like little mini Teslas and stuff like that. I don't think those really count. But I have a little bit of experience, but these are so easy. Like, just like my knowledge of vinyl, this should be super easy because there's really no curves or anything. It's all like straight panels. So it should be super easy and great for the DIYer. You can save a lot of money. You can get these kits. They're pre-cut. They're ready to go. And Test Bros is really awesome to work with. So the reason I said those look so cool is because that's actually kind of a good indicator of what's in here. So we're just gonna show it to you, but actually take attention to like detail here. Look at this box, it's the Cybertruck. But this is actually a custom printed Arctic camo is what we went with. It looks a little maybe weird in here, but I assure you, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna just try to align this edge as best I can. Same thing with right here. And just make sure you wash your hands too. You don't want like a bunch of oils and crap getting on there. So washy. I'm gonna actually stick that down there to give me a little bit more play in this. So obviously make sure we don't touch this wrap to anything that could get gunk on it. So we kind of got this on that side, then we'll peel this up and start working here, kind of aligning these corners right here and here to the best of our ability. And then making sure like this all fits. So like that's a really easy thing to kind of line up as well where the mirror comes out. That's why I went ahead and started with the mirror cutout. So I figured that would probably be one of the easiest things to line up. But you want those to be right even. So wrap gloves will just really help like lay things down without doing like too much. So I like to just kind of push it along this edge right here, get that pushed down. Then we'll go ahead and take our little squeegee. And then you're gonna wanna work kind of like at 45s. And it's best to have 4 fingers on one side, thumb on the other, and kind of like 45 it to where you're pushing everything out. So this I'm pushing up, everything else will be down. That way we can really kind of get it to adhere. But definitely let me know down below if you guys are planning on wrapping your Cybertruck, and if so, what color. Test Bros does have a ton of really cool options like satin, gloss, matte. You can do color shift. Now we went ahead and did a custom print, which they also offer that as well. So lots of really cool options, and they make it very easy. Just make sure you do watch their full install process. They have a bunch of videos in a video series. Same thing that they have with like PPF if you're doing that install. They made the same video series, and that really helped give me some confidence to be able to do it, but also make sure it turned out perfect. But that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you are looking to accessorize your Tesla Model SX, 3 or Y, and now Rivian, and very soon Cybertruck, definitely check them out. I'll link it down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. But that's basically it for this one. We will be doing Moab here in the next few days, and I plan on live streaming with Starlink, so definitely follow the channel and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we go live, so that you can kind of hang out with us in Moab. We should be able to live stream the entire trail series that we're going to be doing. Should be awesome. There's a couple other Cybertrucks that are going to be there. So I guess we'll see you there.